An Indianapolis girl inspired by a tri-state woman is in Cincinnati tonight to try to get her voice back after a freak accident. 9 News reporter Bryce Onslinger is live at University Hospital where Jacqueline Johnson is receiving treatment. Bryce?
Well, Carol, Jacqueline will be spending the night here at University Hospital as she gets ready for her 28th surgery. It's been a long journey as she tries to get something back that most of us take for granted. The idea of being in the hospital and not being able to speak is overwhelming for Jacqueline's mom, Maggie Johnson.
I cannot imagine sitting in that bed and not being able to holler for help. And how terrifying that feeling must be.
Her parents say Jacqueline is strong and stubborn, and that's helping her through this process.
Our nightmare started on May 10th, 2010, and then that's what's brought us here, and this is the 28th surgery since then.
Jacqueline loves sports, and it was while she practiced basketball in her driveway that her life would change forever.
I honestly thought that day that we were going to lose her.
Jacqueline was dunking a basketball on a lowered rim, practicing for games she played with boys in the neighborhood, when the 750-pound hoop gave way and the rim landed on her throat.
Before we could get across the driveway, she started coughing out blood.
Jacqueline has not been able to speak since the accident. She was inspired by the story of Jan Christian, a woman we featured on 9 News in April.
I feel like I'm finding myself again.
Christian lost her voice in a car accident when she was 17, almost the same age Jacqueline was when she had her accident. Christian got her voice back after 35 years of silence thanks to the work of Dr. Sid Khosla, the same doctor who will try to help Jacqueline regain her ability to speak. Christian and Jacqueline met recently, something that Jacqueline's parents say was invaluable.
So Jan was able to really relate to Jacqueline on a level that none of the rest of us could.
Jacqueline loves dogs as much as she loves sports. She got a visit from Farah today, a therapy dog who visits patients who need a little comfort. The Johnson family says they're thankful for the care they're receiving at University Hospital.
It's just been a very good experience, and I think that, honestly, we are on the road to where we need to be.
And University has one of the busiest adult airway programs in the nation. They see about 80 patients per year, and they have about 50 major reconstructive surgeries each year. Carol?
Bryce Onslinger live in Corryville at University Hospital. And by the way, University Hospital has started a program to help patients like Jacqueline after they leave the hospital. For the past 4 months, doctors have started giving patients cards to carry with them at all times that tell first responders about their condition. That allows the patients to get the help they need without having to explain it to first responders in an emergency.